A single crochet decrease is easy. Basically, what you're going to do is put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, and pull up. Go to the next stitch, put your hook through, yarn over, pull up, then go through 3 stitches. So I'm going to keep this up for you. But basically is we're making 1 single crochet over 2 stitches by putting our hook through the first stitch, yarning over and pulling up, putting our yarn through the second stitch, yarning over, and then pulling through all of the loops on our hook.